Hey guys, welcome. I am again here from iamagainhere.com. Today in this video I am going to teach you that how you can add a domain name in your Cloudways hosting. Also guys, I have a coupon code for you by which you can get additional discount on Cloudways. So just watch this video till the end. If you want to get coupon code, go to Google and type iamagainhere.com Cloudways coupon code. You will find the link here. I am again here. Click on it. Simply come down and select coupon code. It will be copied to your clipboard automatically and click on go to the deal. Now friends, if you don't know how to use the coupon code and if you want to know anything more about Cloudways, open YouTube and type iamagainhere.com. You will find this channel. Come here and click on the playlist. Here you will find the section of Cloudways. In this section you will find different playlists like how to create a WordPress on Cloudways, how to delete a server, how to recover a server, how to install SSL, and how to use coupon code and like that. So if you want to know more about Cloudways, you can find here. Now come back to our topic. I already have account on Cloudways, so I am opening my account. After logging into your account, you will find your server here. If you don't know how to create it, you can check out my YouTube video playlist. Now click on your application which you have already installed. So I am selecting this one. After that you need to come to domain management. As you can see here, click on it and you need to add your domain name. As I already have my primary domain, to just show you a demo I am doing it again. Type your domain name. I am again here.com. After that click on save changes and your domain will be added here. Guys, this is how you can add the domain name in your Cloudways hosting. Also guys, if you are looking for different hosting and different software, coupon code and more, you can come to iamagainhere.com. You will find the link in the description box and you can also type it on the Google. Come to table section, you can find here. Click on it, come down and you can find different types of table by which you can get discount instantly and you don't need to read long form of content. Now click on coupon and you will find different coupon code here like product image, product name, category, sub features of the product and coupon here and how much discount you can avail on it. And if you are looking for a specific category, simply click on it and come down. Choose your favorite category. Right now we are talking about hosting. So after selecting this one, you will find Cloudways hosting coupon code. Just copy this coupon code and click on visit now. Now guys, this is how you can add a domain name in your Cloudways hosting. If you want to know how to point the domain name to server, you can watch my playlist. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this one.